Hello, today we will guide you through how to open account in Fusion Markets. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds in a risk-free environment. It's a great way to learn the platform, test strategies, and build confidence before placing any real trades. In this walkthrough, we'll move smoothly from reaching the Fusion Markets website to completing the sign-up flow for a demo account. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Fusion Markets website. For your security, make sure the address bar shows a secure connection and that you're on the correct site. If you're watching this as a video, you can use the link provided in the description to get there quickly. Give the page a moment to load so all buttons appear properly. On the home page, look for the button labeled Create an Account, typically found near the top of the page. Click it to open the sign-up form. This takes you to Fusion Markets' Secure Hub, where you can begin registering for your demo access. On the registration page, enter the login details you want to use for your demo account. Use an email address you check regularly and create a strong, unique password. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and don't share these details with anyone. If the form asks for basic personal information, fill it out accurately to ensure your account works as expected. Take a moment to review any terms and policies so you understand how your information is used. If you prefer a faster setup, you can choose to continue with Google instead of typing everything manually. Click the Google option, select the Google account you want associated with your demo, and approve the prompts. This can streamline login and reduce the number of credentials you need to remember. If you're on a shared device, be sure to sign out when you're done. After you've submitted your details or signed in with Google, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The system will guide you through any remaining steps. You may be asked to confirm your email or accept platform notices. Keep the page open and proceed through each prompt until you see confirmation that your demo access is ready. If something doesn't load, refresh the page or try a different browser tab. Then continue. That's it. You've reached the end of the setup and your Fusion Markets demo account should now be active. Take your time exploring the interface, practice placing test orders, and get comfortable with the tools available. If you run into issues, look for help options on the site or check the support resources for guidance. Thanks for following along and enjoy practicing in your new demo environment.